Hey there YouTubers, welcome back. Well, today is finally the reveal day of the John Deere 316 tractor restoration. After 2 long weeks of hard work, I'm finally done and I'm ready to show it to you guys from under the tarp over there. Before I pull the tarp up, first of all I want to tell you it was hard work. It was like a house reno that never seems to end because there was so much rust on that tractor. It was unbelievable. So I'm going to lift up the tarp and there you go. So there she is. All that hard work paid off because it sure turned out good. I'm very happy with it. I've even painted underneath. The whole gear case and all is painted under here. While I was at it, I fixed the seat up under here, painted this light, fixed it as well. Put some new sandpaper grit here. Got some new stripes here for it. The deck is fully painted. The wheel weights are painted as well. I've also painted the rams outside and inside. The inside of the hood is painted as well. The air filter cover right here is painted. The inside of the hood. So like you saw in the previous videos, everything was apart. It was much easier to paint it that way by having it all apart like that. Take a look at the next clip in this video. It shows pictures of before and after the paint job. In case you're wondering how much paint it took to do this, it took me 8 cans of green paint and 4 yellow cans for the yellow parts of the tractor. Now the paint was about $8 a can or more. With tax it was about $9 a can. Much easier painting the tractor with spray cans. Now probably the hardest part of the job was the prep work, getting all the rust off the metal parts. Actually taking some of the parts off the tractor wasn't too bad. The deck was probably the hardest part. But overall, it wasn't too bad. It turned out really good and I'm very pleased with it. So if you're thinking of restoring your John Deere tractor, make sure that before you do this job that all your parts are prepped properly, sanded down, and then add some primer for extra protection. The key is to have a good surface for your paint to go on. So what I'm going to do at this point is start up the tractor so you can hear what it sounds like. Sounds good. I hope you enjoyed the John Deere restoration project of the 316 tractor. I may consider doing this again. It was a fun project. I'm sure if you have a tractor and you do this, you're going to enjoy doing it, especially if it's your own tractor. This one's not mine, but it was definitely worth spending the money on that tractor to do that. If I owned a John Deere tractor, I would definitely restore it. They're very nice machines. They're built tough, they're going to last, and they look good. I like the John Deere colors. Anyways, take care, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next videos.